Planning a road trip? Before you hit the open highway, do yourself a favor and get your ride road ready with these 15 travel car maintenance hacks. Because the only thing worse than a flat tire is a flat tire in the middle of nowhere. Let's gear up and go. 1. Do a glove box check for registration and insurance. First things first. Make sure your registration, insurance, and roadside assistance cards are up to date and easy to find. If you're pulled over or break down, you'll thank yourself. 2. Top off washer fluid with bug-repelling formula. Bugs on the windshield? Get ahead of it. Use a summer windshield washer fluid with bug remover built in. It cuts through splatter way better than the regular stuff. 3. Check your spare tire, not just the pressure. Don't just check if it's inflated. Make sure your spare tire isn't dry rotted or expired. Yes, tires expire. Look for cracks and check the date code. 4. Bring a headlamp, not just a flashlight. If you break down at night, you'll need both hands. A headlamp is a simple addition that'll let you fix things without juggling a flashlight. 5. Check brake pads before you go, not during the trip. Brake pads squeaking? Don't risk it on the road. If they're less than 3 millimeters thick, it's time to replace them. Better to do it now than in a motel parking lot 2 states away. 6. Add an air compressor and plug kit to your emergency kit. A compact tire inflator and a plug kit can save your trip. They'll patch small punctures without needing a tow, a real road trip hero. 7. Preset navigation and save offline maps. Not a maintenance hack for your car, but definitely one for your mind. Download offline maps or pre-save your route in case of dead zones or lost signal in remote areas. 8. Secure all fluid caps under the hood. One loose oil cap or coolant cap, and your engine could overheat or leak. Give all fluid caps a firm twist before you leave, especially after recent service. 9. Test cruise control and all dashboard buttons. Long trips mean more cruise control and AC adjustments. Make sure your buttons, knobs, and cruise system are all functioning. If not, fix them before your thumb has to work overtime. 10. Lube the door hinges and locks. Nothing's worse than a squeaky door or a jammed trunk when you're stopping every few hours. A little multi-purpose lubricant on the hinges and locks goes a long way. 11th. Check trunk tools and jack setup. You'd be surprised how many people have a spare tire but no working jack or tools. Check your jack, lug wrench, and make sure you know how to use them before you need to. 12th. Use a windshield sunshade while stopped. Every gas station or rest stop break adds heat to your car. Toss up a foldable sunshade when parked. It keeps your dash cool and protects electronics inside. 13. Preload your playlist or podcasts. Travel silence isn't fun when you lose signal. Download music or podcasts in advance so you're not stuck scanning static on the FM dial. 14. Fill up the night before you leave. Beat the morning rush and fuel up the night before your trip. It saves you time, stress, and one less thing to worry about in the morning. 15. Check coolant overflow, bottle level cold. Most people check coolant when it's hot, but that's risky. Check the overflow tank when the engine is cold to get an accurate reading and avoid burns. And there you have it. 15 must-know hacks to help you prep like a pro before your next long haul. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Drop a comment if you're planning a trip, or share your own travel car tip. Safe travels, smooth roads.